Welcome to Story Pie. Let me tell you a wonderful story called Noodle's Gear Quest. In the heart of a land filled with whirring gears and sparkling lights, stood the robot factory. The air smelled of sweet oil, and the sounds of cogs turning filled every corner. Inside, colorful robots bustled about, their metallic bodies gleaming under the bright factory lights. They were always dancing, always singing and having fun, especially Camila, who loved to sing and dance to the music the factory produced. But something was amiss. The factory's music was beginning to sound a bit off. That's when Noodle the Narwhal Knight arrived. Noodle was a brave sea friend with a green body and a shiny helmet made from enchanted seashells. His horn, which glowed when near treasure, was famous throughout the land. Noodle received a message, delivered by a speedy little robot messenger named Zip. "The music gears are missing, the music is gone." Zip zoomed around in circles, the message flashing on his screen. "Oh dear," Noodle said, his voice a gentle rumble. "Without the music gears, there'll be no more music. And everyone loves the music, especially Camila, who sings along all day long." He adjusted his seashell helmet. "This calls for action," Noodle declared, his horn starting to tingle. His horn started to glow, and the robots all cheered when they saw this. "Go, Noodle!" Zoe cheered from the sidelines, jumping up and down with excitement. "You're the best!" Zoe loved playful animals and running around, so seeing Noodle embark on his journey was thrilling. And so, Noodle set off on his quest. His first step was to consult with the robot helpers. The robot helpers were known for their friendliness and helpful nature, which were always there to lend a hand. They were always whirring around, making sure everything in the factory ran smoothly. "The music gears?" one of the robot helpers beeped. "They're probably in the mysterious maze of mechanical mayhem. That maze is always causing problems." Noodle nodded and thanked the robot helpers. "Right then, to the maze," he declared. He knew this would be a long search. The maze was a confusing place, filled with moving platforms, spinning gears, and tricky puzzles. Noodle carefully navigated the maze. His horn glowed brighter with each step guiding him. Up and down he went, through tunnels and across bridges, always searching for the missing gears. The maze tested his determination, but he never gave up. He remembered that without the music, Camila and everyone else would not be able to sing and dance. With a final push, he found the hidden room. His horn glowed, and Noodle knew he was close. Inside, in the hidden room, sat a grumpy robot. This robot did not like music or dancing. He was sitting on the missing music gears. "What do you want?" the grumpy robot grumbled. "I'm busy not having fun. I'm here to return the music gears," Noodle replied kindly. "They're needed to make music for everyone to enjoy." The grumpy robot crossed his arms. "Music is silly. It's a waste of time," he huffed. He did not understand that, just like Zoe, everyone loves to run around and have fun. Noodle looked at the grumpy robot. "Music brings joy to everyone in the factory, especially Camila. She loves to sing and dance," he explained. "It helps everyone feel happy." Noodle knew that music was an important part of the factory, and without it, the factory would not feel the same. The grumpy robot grumbled, "I still don't want anyone to have fun." Noodle could see he was not so grumpy inside. "Well, it's no good sitting here with them," Noodle said. "Look, how about this? You help me put the music gears back and then try listening to the music. If you still don't like it, I'll leave them here." The grumpy robot thought for a moment. Well, okay. He knew he was missing out on something. Noodle and the grumpy robot worked together to put the music gears back where they belonged. As soon as the gears were back in place, music filled the factory. Camila and all the other robots started singing and dancing. The music was so fun, and everyone loved to dance. Camila started dancing, and she was so happy. The grumpy robot listened to the music. At first he frowned, but then he started tapping his foot. Then he started to smile. He realized that he actually really liked the music. Everyone's joy was contagious. Noodle smiled. "See," he said. "Music is for everyone." The grumpy robot laughed, and they all danced together. The factory was filled with music, and everyone was happy. Noodle and the grumpy robot became the best of friends. Noodle had learned that even the grumpiest robots could have fun, and the grumpy robot had learned the joy of music. Noodle received many thanks and praise from all the robots for his dedication and bravery. And so the robot factory was filled with music once more. Camila sang and danced. Zoe ran around with a smile. And everyone, including the grumpy robot, celebrated. Noodle knew he had done a good deed, and that the world was a much better place when everyone was happy and singing. And everyone, especially Camila, lived happily ever after. Let's see what a great listener you are. Can you answer the following question? Why was the grumpy robot grumpy, and what changed his mind? Let's see how you did. The answer is, the grumpy robot was grumpy because he did not like music. He changed his mind after hearing the joyful music and seeing everyone dancing. You did a great job. That's all for now. I can't wait until our next story pie adventure together.